Step into next level luxury with this stunning masterpiece in the heart of Cranbourne East. Sitting proudly on a massive 577 square meter block, this premium property has a grand entrance, grand chandeliers, jacuzzi and high ceilings, and the list goes on. With walk-in robes, split system air conditioning, ceiling fans in every bedroom, and guess what? Ensuites to 3 bedrooms is a showcase of elegance, comfort and thoughtful design. It's Sam Weerawarna from Just Real Estate. Come, let's go check it out. You'll find modern upgrades throughout the home, including split system air conditioning, ceiling fans, remote control lighting, luxury grade jacuzzi, solar panels, upgraded push button switches, down lights throughout, and a ducted vacuum system with discreet wall suction inlet for quick and easy cleaning. It offers 4 spacious bedrooms, a formal lounge, a study, and a stylish central bathroom. The kitchen is fully upgraded with an inbuilt fridge and dishwasher, a walk-in pantry with its own sink, and a separate laundry with loads of cupboard space. And outside, enjoy decking around the rear and the side of the home with a water fountain feature on the side decking, perfect for entertaining or winding down on summer evenings. There's a synthetic grass play area with basketball ring, a large backyard shed, and concreted side access. The aggregate concrete driveway leads to a spacious 3-car extended garage with epoxy flooring. For your peace of mind, the property includes electronic door entry and security cameras already installed. Location-wise, you're surrounded by convenience and lifestyle. Cranbourne East Primary, Cranbourne East Secondary College, Casey Fields Football Grounds and Sports Centre, the Casey Race Aquatic Centre, and several major shopping centres all just minutes away. Homes like this on big blocks with this level of luxury don't come by often. Come experience it for yourself at one of our open inspections. We'd love to show you through.